Success comes to those who step out in faith, not those who wait passively. You don't need everyone to approve your dream. Just obey God and go for it. Keep a positive attitude, work hard, and expect favor. Even in small things, opportunities don't just fall into your lap. You have to prepare, believe, and take action. God has already lined up the right opportunities, but you have to do your part. Don't wait for perfect conditions. Start where you are with what you have. If you stay in faith, God will open doors that no man can shut. Your next opportunity could come through a conversation, a setback, or a divine connection. Fear will try to stop you, but faith opens doors. Don't let negative voices talk you out of what God has placed in your heart. When you do the natural, God will do the supernatural. You were created to leave your mark on this generation. Your destiny is not a matter of chance, it's a matter of choice. If you're not seeing God's favor, check your expectancy. Are you believing for big things? Would you like a link to one of Joel Osteen's full sermons on this topic? Let me know, and I'd be happy to guide you. Keep believing, stay bold, and create the life you're destined for. Success doesn't happen by accident. It starts in your mind. Your thoughts shape your actions, and your actions shape your destiny. If you want to create opportunities and achieve greatness, you must first cultivate the right mindset. Here's how. If you think small, you'll stay small. But if you expand your vision, you'll start seeing doors where others see walls. What you believe internally, you will eventually see externally. Scarcity thinking says, there's not enough for me. Abundance thinking says, God has more than enough. I just have to position myself for it. When you operate from a place of faith, not fear, you'll attract greater opportunities. Instead of I'll never get that promotion, declare I am equipped, qualified, and favored for new levels of success. Your words either invite God's promises or cancel them out. If you face rejection, financial struggles, or delays, don't get discouraged. Get prepared. The struggle you're in today is developing the strength you need for tomorrow. Study, develop your skills, and stay sharp. Your next opportunity could come at any moment. When your moment comes, you won't have time to get ready. You'll only have time to perform. If you're around dream killers, you'll start doubting yourself. If you're around faith-filled, ambitious people, you'll start thinking bigger. You can't outperform your self-image. If you want a better future, you must first see it, believe it, and speak it. Success begins in your mind. Train it, feed it faith, and watch opportunities unfold. As a man thinks in his heart, so is he. Proverbs 23:7. Would you like a deeper dive into any of these principles? Let me know. I'd love to help. Your present situation does not determine your future. Too many people get stuck focusing on what's wrong, what they lack, what didn't work out, or how far they still have to go. But visionaries, innovators, and history makers here's how you can too. Your current reality is temporary. Just because you're in a tough season doesn't mean you'll stay there. Steve Jobs was fired from Apple, the company he founded. Instead of quitting, he started Pixar and Next, then returned to Apple and revolutionized technology. The only thing that stands between you and your dream is the story you keep telling yourself about why you can't achieve it. A job loss could push you toward entrepreneurship. A rejection could redirect you to something better. What is this situation preparing me for? How can I use this challenge to grow stronger? No funding. Start small. No experience. Learn as you go. Colonel Sanders was 65 years old when he started KFC. After rejection, he saw beyond his age and circumstances. Your attitude, your effort, your willingness to adapt. You can't control the wind, but you can adjust your sails. If you're in a financial struggle, see abundance. If you're in a dead-end job, see a greater purpose. What you consistently visualize, you will eventually actualize. Read one book, make one call, try one new idea. You don't need to see the whole staircase, just take the first step. Martin Luther King Jr. Your current circumstances are not your final destination. Every successful person had to look past their obstacles and keep moving forward. What if this challenge is actually preparing me for something greater? What opportunities are hidden in my current situation? Would you like a deeper breakdown of how to apply this to your specific situation? Let me know. I'd love to help. Opportunities don't come to those who wait. They come to those who act. The world rewards action takers, not passive dreamers. If you want success, you must step out, take risks, and make things happen. Here's how to develop the habit of initiative. Oprah Winfrey didn't wait for someone to give her a talk show. She created her own opportunity by betting on herself. What would I do right now if I weren't afraid? Waiting for the right time is just an excuse for fear. Jeff Bezos started Amazon in a garage with no guarantee it would work. Start before you're ready. Act first, adjust later. Elon Musk launched SpaceX despite multiple failures, because action creates progress. Mantra: done is better than perfect. Embrace discomfort. Growth happens outside your comfort zone. If you're not uncomfortable, you're not growing. Michael Jordan was cut from his high school team, but he trained harder instead of quitting. What's the one uncomfortable action I've been avoiding? Send the email, make the call, ask for the meeting. Richard Branson cold called record companies to start Virgin Records because he dared to ask. Power move: be the one who initiates, not the one who waits. 6. Turn ideas into action. Immediately, ideas are worthless without execution. Write down one step you can take today. Mark Zuckerberg built Facebook in his dorm room instead of just talking about it. Rule: if it's worth thinking about, it's worth acting on. Own your mistakes, but never stop moving. Every no gets you closer to a yes. Walt Disney was fired for lacking imagination before building an empire. Mindset shift: fail fast, learn faster. Final challenge: act within 24 hours. Apply for that job. Pitch that idea. Start that side hustle. Remember, the universe rewards action, not intention. Divine opportunities don't happen by chance. They happen by preparation. God is always working behind the scenes, but you must stay ready so when your moment comes, you don't miss it. Here's how to position yourself for unexpected blessings. Stay dressed for action and keep your lamps burning. Luke 12:35. Example: David was anointed king long before he took the throne, but he stayed faithful in the fields, honing his skills and killing lions and bears. Before facing Goliath, ask yourself, if my big opportunity came today, would I be ready? If you're faithful with little, he'll trust you with much. Luke 16:10. Example: Joseph remained faithful as a slave and prisoner before becoming Egypt's prime minister. Key: your preparation today determines your elevation tomorrow. Divine opportunities often come disguised in inconveniences. Be open to unexpected assignments, divine connections, or last-minute requests. Example: Ruth's loyalty to Naomi led her to Boaz's field and changed her destiny. Prayer: God, help me recognize and seize the opportunities you send my way. When Peter walked on water, he didn't overthink. He stepped out. Matthew 14:29. Question: what would I attempt if I knew I couldn't fail? Affirmation: I am ready for every good work God has prepared for me. Attend that conference. Join that mastermind. Serve in that ministry. Example: Esther didn't know why she was made queen until her moment to save her people arrived. Key: divine opportunities often come through divine connections. Abraham waited 25 years for Isaac. Moses waited 40 years before leading Israel out of Egypt. Reminder: at the right time, I, the Lord, will make it happen. Isaiah 60:22. God has already prepared opportunities you can't yet see. Your job: stay ready, keep growing, keep believing, keep saying yes to small assignments so He can trust you with bigger ones. Identify one area where you need to prepare and take a step toward readiness. See, I am doing a new thing. Now it springs up. Do you not perceive it? Isaiah 43:19. Would you like a prayer or scripture to declare over your season of preparation? Let me know. I'd love to equip you further. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. If you want to grow, achieve more, and unlock your potential, you need a circle that challenges you, not just comforts you. Here's how to build a winning environment. Dream killers will make you doubt yourself. Dream builders will push you forward. Scripture: walk with the wise and become wise. Associate with fools and get in trouble. Proverbs 13:20. When Steve Jobs met Steve Wozniak, their collaboration birthed Apple. Divine connections multiply your potential. The wrong relationships will kill your ambition, mock your dreams, keep you stuck in mediocrity. Distance yourself from people who don't believe in your future. A mentor sees what you can't yet see in yourself. Timothy had Paul. Elisha had Elijah. Who's pouring into you? Who do I know that has what I want, and how can I learn from them? Iron sharpens iron. Proverbs 27:17. Find people who challenge your thinking, hold you accountable, celebrate your wins. Mastermind groups, like those of Andrew Carnegie and Napoleon Hill, have built fortunes. Upgrade your environment to match your aspirations. Surround yourself with people who force you to level up.
Limit time with chronic complainers, gossipers, and excuse makers. I attract bold, faith-filled, growth-minded people. Introduce people. Share opportunities. Lift as you climb. Your network is your net worth. Do they inspire you? Challenge you? Believe in your dreams? If not, it's time to expand your tribe. Show me your friends, and I'll show you your future. Need help finding the right community? Let's strategize. Your growth circle is out there.